We were gonna take you guys on a tour of Yokohama, but the weather's shit. So we're just going back to Tokyo. What you got there?
I got a soft-boiled egg bacon sandwich.
Grabbing some breakfast.
You look like you're rapping.
Checking out the amazing view of Shibuya on this really rainy day. It actually makes it look a lot more epic. Your turn, Chris. Mieliśmy po rowery jechać.
Oh, fuck.
I just went to the cell phone store to see if I can update my cell phone plan to LTE. But the wait's 1 hour, so I got a little ticket and I could come back in an hour. Convenience of Japan, you don't even have to wait in the store. I scare these suckers. Back to the cell phone shop for me. I can watch Netflix while I wait. Pretty cool. Phone plan is all set up and done. I think I need to go back and nap. I'm so tired.
We're just walking into this seafood izakaya type of place. It's we sometimes come here. For some reason it was never shown on the vlog. Izakaya is a type of Japanese bar, and this place is famous for having lots of attractive seafood options. I like taking people here who visit Japan because it has a lot of flashy stuff. It leaves a huge impression. This place is a restaurant and a very huge and very popular chain. Their specialty is called kani miso. It's crab meat mixed with miso paste, and you grill it on a table on a little sweet grill. Everybody loves it. I think I've shown this place to 20 plus foreigners, and everybody loved kani miso.
Or they're lying, but they're probably not lying because it's delicious. Yeah.
Good? It's really good. Us being Polish, we had to order a potato. This one comes with shokara, which is fermented squid guts, I believe. Another thing we ordered is the tartare made of ketsuo, which translates to bonito fish. It's a Japanese fish. Good, eh?
Is it delicious?
Very good.
Don't go chasing waterfalls. And I'll survive. I will survive. Tokyo! First karaoke experience.
It was magical. It was magical.